So you just put your phone for airplane mode. You don't even know the reason of that airplane mode where they put phone. So you wanna just to make them not reach you. Okay, once make them not reach you and you not day up, you dig ground, you put your phone for airplane mode so that make them not reach you. Abi. You never fly plane once. If you don't fly plane once, you go know the reason why they put that airplane mode. You go know the reason. The reason why they put that airplane mode now for make it for not the interfere with their system, other aircraft system. Because you never fly plane once, you don't know what the airplane mode mean. You just mean say to the make them not feel reach you. Make them not feel reach you, you dig ground. How they not go take reach you when you dig ground? Airplane mode now for people where they up, where they sky, where they fly plane. You not get private jet, you not get plane, you not get small helicopter. You dey put your phone for airplane mode. I know say most of them never enter plane before. So if you don't enter plane before, tell me three observations when you observe during your flight mode. Tell me in the comment section. Thank you.